ko ikaw ay akin. Totoo sa aking paningin, ngunit ang ika'y yakapin.
Babe, what are you eating?
I think it's, what's it called? Galbi?
Kalbi?
Kalbi.
Yeah, it's a kalbi. Next time we're gonna wait for our mom. Magkakaroon kami ng mukbang Korean foods. Sarap. Magutom sila. Magugutom na naman sila. Good, sarap.
Does it have rice in it already?
What? Yeah. Yeah, but it's hot. It's hot. The what do you call it? The spoon is hot too because of the sizzling plate. Good, huh? And I like this because it's more
That's
tastier.
Really, yeah, that's really good.
Try the soup.
The bones burn my fingers. Use my fingers to get the bone.
Yeah.
Oh, it just burns my fingertips. I have to like hold the.
Because the plate is sizzling though. Let's try the soup. Try the soup. Oh shit! I'm sorry.
Oh,
Man, I'm sorry.
bro.
Oh my bro. It's new.
Bro, you got soup in my throat.
Oh yeah?
You got it inside the
Are you
case.
kidding? Oh, sorry. We can fix that later though. Let's fix it later and wipe it out. I'm sorry. Okay, taste this. Taste the soup. How is it? It's good?
It's good, yeah. Spicy.
Of course, I like spicy. Like me, I'm spicy.
Wow!
Oh my god, it's really good. Damn. Try this. Can I have just a small?
Yeah, big one.
Not, this is so big. This is kalbi. Kalbi. Sarap. Oh. It's really good with the rice. Thank you. Pinong rice. You like it, babe? I like Korean foods. I really do. Like Korean and Japanese. Their what do you call that, babe? Their serving stuff is really nice. You know,
Cuisine.
those
Cuisine.
cuisine, yeah, cuisine. They have a good service too. The server, she's so nice. So hot.
After today, we really gotta have a leftovers day.
Oh yeah.
Because we're gonna have lots of leftovers.
Mm-hmm.
pull. Let me break it.
Wait, my nail.
You gotta eat that.
See that? Yummy. Yum.
Dude, I think there's some in your ear. Whoa.
Wow.
This is in your ear. I just pulled it
Babe,
out.
that's why I feel it's burning.
Oh, man. Should I put it back in?
Yeah.
Okay.
And eat it. So good. Oh, look at that. It looks tasty and juicy. And oh,
I heard that the coolest people, they eat the bones.
mhm.
I heard that if you're cool, you eat the bone. Is it true?
You eat the bone? How can you eat the bone? It's too hard.
Well, apparently only the cool people can do it. So
Are you cool?
I figured that you were cool, so I figured you could probably eat the bone.
I'm funny, but sometimes I'm cool. But now I'm not cool.
You're saying you can't eat the bone?
I'm not cool now because I feel hot.
Oh, okay. Well, I found the alternate piece. This one's got two pieces of
Yeah.
meat hanging from one central bone.
Oh my goodness.
This is like the balls, This is how my balls look after a long day at work. Maybe they're just hanging there.
Oh my God. What's up, babe?
I'll take a little bit. What do you call this soup?
Yukajang.
What's the English name of it?
I don't know. Beef. Hot and spicy.
Beef.
Beef with bean sprout and with egg.
It's got this name called Yukajong Ding Dong, and then it's just called, translates to beef. What?
I don't know. I'm not Korean, babe.
It's a big bite. Oh, I gotta make sure I can.
Yeah. You okay?
It's the initial spice of it.
Initial spice.
Oh, man.
Sorry. Babe, you didn't eat the whole meat of the... Give me your bone. Hindi niya kinakain lahat ng meat. Give me your bone. All of it.
You're probably shame me.
Babe, there's still more meat though. There's a lot of hungry people. Don't waste that.
Those are all the ones that you put there.
There's still a meat in there. See, look. You can still eat it.
That's fat, babe.
It's not. You can still eat it. Hayang mo yung meat. Marami nagugutom.
I'm not paying, don't worry. I'm not
First you spilled the soup on my phone. Then you throw a bone at me.
I didn't mean that. It's accident.
Yeah.
But sometimes you don't know what's gonna happen next.
About to give you an accident.
Babe, I didn't mean that.
Uh-huh. Sure. I think I follow your Facebook page, but I think that's slowed down.
Oh, you said don't drink so fast. I drink so fast.
No. No, we are taking this away. You've lost your Coke privileges. This is kind of like the red curry, but less spicy. Hey, quit eating the soup.
Bro.
I finished my food, so you gotta finish yours.
Hey, I help you.
You ate two.
You help me too.
I ate 2 bites, you ate 2 ribs. No,
They said it's sweet, you know. Babe, come on.
Eat your plate. You're almost done. You got it.
Oh, yeah. Baby, I want some too. I want some soup.
I'm not gonna finish it. You good?
Yeah, because I know.
Sorry, you what? Yeah, I know. What does that
I straight it to my.
mean? You what?
I straight it to my throat.
Straight into your throat. Well, that's what you're supposed to do, right?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is so good.
Alright, no more soup.
Oh, damot nito.
No more soup.
So good.
You only eat the broth.
What?
So you only drink the liquid.
Because I like the broth, the juice.
Yeah, but that's all you eat though. You don't eat like anything else.
I did eat something of it earlier. I put it in my rice. Don't judge the book by its cover.
Judging the book by its pages is what I know.
Yeah.
You're an open book. I can read you all day.
Okay, hands up then.
Yeah. Your hands up what?
Hands up. Me. Ow!
What happens when you put your hands up? You get tickled.
Oh yeah. What is that?
Hmm? What is that? I'm not gonna fall for that.
But you fall for me.
And I need you to know that we're falling so fast. We're falling.
Are you giggling? Giggle like in love.
Alright, let's do this good. I'm just gonna put my whole wallet on it. So you can decide what card to take out of it.
I know.
I'm gonna do this, okay? Take my wallet. There's cash in there, and there's 2 cards. She has to decide how she wants to
To pay to, she has to decide which card she gonna.
Or if she takes the trash out, she can do that too. I'm gonna leave it to her. Are you still doing it? Let's see. Or we can play card roulette.
What?
Card roulette.
What is card roulette?
We both put our cards on the thing. And we tell her to choose which one to ring up.
It's her which one to ring up. Okay, go.
You wanna do that?
Okay, go do that. Ah, inaano mo ko, iniisahan mo ko. Where's my bag? So, sige na, let decides which card.
I'm gonna leave it up to fate.
Don't, we will let the waiter decide which card she gonna ring now. Which card I'm gonna use. I have a lot of cards. Thank you. So we're gonna...
Here, put it like this so she can see the name.
Okay.
You have to choose which card.
You have to choose which card we're gonna use.
Pay. Are you gonna pay?
No, which card? Which card you want to... Go ahead. She got yours. Safe. My card is safe.
It's because when you handed her the thing, you had your finger on your card still.
No, she's talking to someone she didn't know though. No, I don't. You're safe.
A few moments later.
So tapos na kami kumain mga chops. Medyo madilim na dito ako sa sakyan. Pauwi na kami ng bahay ko. So dun kami sa bahay ko muna. So, ayun. Where's their lights here, babe? Is it this one?
Oh shit, I just fucked up that guy.
What?
I just like cut that guy off. I didn't see him, but it's fine.
Okay. So babe, what is your Rubitusin in your language? How you say that in here in America? Rubitusin. In Philippines, it's Rubitusin.
What the fuck's Robitussin?
Rubitusin. It's a medicine.
Are you talking about Robitussin?
Say it again.
You talking about Robitussin?
Rubitusin.
Yeah.
It's Rubitusin. In the Philippines, Rubitusin. What about
No, man, it's Robitussin.
Rubitusin slang? Robitussin?
It's Robitussin.
Who is Robbie? His last name is Tossin.
Who the fuck's Robitussin?
I don't know. Someone make that. What about antibiotic? Antibiotic in the Philippines. Antibiotic.
It's antibiotic.
Antibiotic. Medyo slang din. What about ibuprofen?
Now I know you're fucking with me.
I'm not.
Now I know you're fucking with me.
No, I'm not. What is it? Oh, you're picking your nose.
Say that shit again.
Ibuprofen.
Ibuprofen? It
Yeah.
doesn't even sound right. Like, that's like sounds like it's difficult to pronounce.
What do you mean it's
It's
difficult?
like ibuprofen. Like that's not.
Ibuprofen.
It's ibuprofen.
Huh?
Ibuprofen.
Ibuprofen?
Yeah, not ibuprofen.
It's ibuprofen.
No, it's ibuprofen.
Ano ba yun? Binago na? Someone change it.
Ibuprofen.
Who changed it? Binago na pala.
No, it's ibuprofen.
It's ibuprofen.
It's not ibuprofen. It's
What is... It is. What about paracetamol?
Wait, what?
Paracetamol.
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 I don't know what you're saying.
You don't have that here?
I don't know that. What are you saying?
Paracetamol.
Paracetamol?
Mm-hmm.
It must be. We probably have it, but it must be something completely different. So I never heard that. Show me a picture of what it looks like.
Paracetamol, this one, oh.
Oh, acetaminophen?
What? What? Say it again.
That's acetaminophen.
Acetaminophen.
See, that's what I was saying. That had to be a completely different name.
How you say it? It's acetaminophen.
No, it's acetaminophen.
Acetaminophen.
You know what? Let's let them say it.
Acetaminophen.
Oh, say it again.
Acetaminophen.
Acetaminophen.
No,
See?
she said acetaminophen.
No, acetaminophen.
You were saying paracetamol.
Oh, said it. Letters.
She's saying that's that acetaminophen.
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 Oh, say it again. One more.
She said that's that acetaminophen.
Acetaminophen.
Oh,
She said
acetaminophen.
that acetaminophen.
Acetaminophen.
Say that's that acetaminophen.
Babe, acetaminophen. Say it again, Siri.
She was saying that acetaminophen.
Acetaminophen.
Oh, acetaminophen.
No.
May kapag talo ka pa eh. Acetaminophen nga.
That's that acetaminophen.
You lose, babe. Just accept it.
You were saying a different name though. You were saying paracetamol.
Yeah, paracetamol.
Paracetamol?
Acetaminophen.
It's acetaminophen.
Sala. Halika na, pasok na tayo sa loob. Let's go. That's it for tonight. Because it's itchy. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. Close the camera, B. Bye. Yeah.